Hello everyone, welcome back to Now I See. In today's video, we are going to learn how cloud engineers securely access AWS EC2 servers using SSH. Now imagine this, you successfully launched your EC2 instance on AWS, but your server is running somewhere far away in cloud data center. So how do you actually control it from your laptop? That's exactly what we will learn today. We will understand what SSH is, why public IP and key pair are important, how to connect using terminal or PuTTY, and how engineers remotely manage cloud servers from anywhere in the world. So let's start. Your EC2 instance is running. Now, after launching an EC2 instance, AWS changed the instance state from pending to running. This means your cloud server is officially live. AWS also provides two very important things. First is the public IP before address. This works like your server's internet address. Using this IP, your laptop can locate and connect to the server remotely. Second is the instance ID. This is like a unique identifier fingerprint for your EC2 instance inside AWS. Now here's the interesting part is, your server may physically exist in another city or even another country, but using cloud technology, you can still control it instantly from your own laptop. Next is, what is SSH? So now the big question is, how do cloud engineers actually access remote servers securely? The answer is SSH. SSH stands for Secure Shell. It creates an encrypted connection between your laptop and the cloud server. Think of SSH like a secure remote control for your cloud computer. Every command you type travels securely through the internet so nobody can intercept or read your data. This is one of the most important technology in cloud computing, and DevOps becomes almost all remote server management happens through SSH. Public IP and key pair. Now to connect with the server, AWS requires two important things. First is the public IP address. This tells your laptop where the server exists on the internet. Second is the key pair. When launching the EC2 instance, AWS gives us a private PAM file. This file acts like a secret digital key. Without this key, AWS will not allow access to the server. And remember this very carefully. AWS does not store another copy of your private key. Okay, so if you lose your PAM file, you may permanently lose access to your server. That's why cloud engineers always keep backup copies safely. Connect using SSH. Now comes the existing part, connecting to the EC2 server. If you are using Mac or Linux, you can use the terminal. If you are using Windows, many users prefer PuTTY. First open the terminal, then navigate to the folder containing your PAM file. After that, run the SSH command shown on the screen. This command tells your laptop which key to use, which users to connect us, and which server IP to access. The first time you connect SSH, ask whether you trust the server fingerprint. Simply type yes, and within second you connect directly to your AWS cloud server. Now welcome to your cloud server. And now you officially have full remote control to your cloud server. Using terminal commands, you can view files, install softwares, update packages, create directories, host websites, and manage applications. For example, this is command list here. pw shows the current directory. Sudo yum update server packages. And commands like mkdir helps create folders, and ls command lists all the files. This is exactly how cloud engineers and DevOps teams manage servers in real-world environments every single day. So today we learned how to cloud engineers securely access AWS EC2 servers using SSH. We understood how the EC2 instance run, what public IP address are, why key pairs are important, how SSH works, and how to remotely control cloud servers using terminal access. And honestly, this is one of the first real step into particular cloud computing. Thank you so much for watching this video.